Welcome to the salon, everyone. We're here to talk about another innovation from Crazy Colour. This one I'm particularly powered up about, the anti-bleed spray. For all you Crazy Colour lovers out there, it's a surefire way to make sure your colours last longer and your hair feels amazing. Some of the amazing benefits from the new anti-bleed spray is it locks in colours for up to 10 extra washes. Unlike other pH sprays, there's no salt and there's definitely no sulfates. Works in as little as 60 seconds, meaning it's convenient for both home and for salon use. Staying true to the entire Crazy Colour range, we're vegan and cruelty-free. So now the extensions are coloured up, we're going to show you the amazing effects of the spray. This side we're going to treat, that side we're not. So that's it, the finished product. As you can see, the difference between treated and non-treated is absolutely massive. Even with one wash, there's a notable difference, but remember, with anti, there's no need to wash. Condition feels amazing, shine and vibrancy, as well as depth and tone of colour.